Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see. Go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. Oh, it's been a while. I've been planning and waiting for this. It's been a long while. It's been a while, Macau. Up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow. It's been a while, and it's gonna be a long time again.
Okay, so we're in Taipa. We're going to be going down this way in this village towards kind of a main street where the buses are at. It's a one-way street. So stay tuned for that. Rooftop up there. Give you a little bit of a view of what's around here real quick. So behind us we have this kind of stuff and this kind of stuff. But we're not going to focus on that video. We're going to be walking down the other street, which is directly down that way. So stay tuned for that. Give you an idea of Taipa village. Macau, Hua Correia de Silva in Taipa village. They call those hand gestures. Let's use these hand gestures some more. And we got it up on the map right there as well. And we also got some music lyrics, so we'll put that up there as well. And that's coming up the screen. And let's just get right down through it. And you can see it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we're going to be walking down Taipa village. We're going to be walking down this one street to the left, so we're just going to try to capture everything on this busy 3-day holiday weekend here in Macau. Taipa village, kind of the main street is right down that way, but on this particular video we're going to take a left and go through it. Give you an idea of this wall right here as well. Okay. Usually people are in front of that, so that's a rare situation where they're not. Okay. So we're going to be walking down this street right here. They'll be getting this crowd. Before we do, this is a street. This is a different name of a street, but it would be continued down that way. We're going to attempt to navigate down this way. Okay, let's see. This is some popular places right here. Tiger Sugar, Kuni Guy, all the way down that way. But these are very popular. This little Tiger Sugar is like a lemon tea, and I think the green one is lemon tea as well. So those two. It's hard to film, there's just so many people today. Yeah, city's very popular these days. So just trying to navigate through here is a challenge. Here's a little stairs. Escada de Cocho. Okay, tons and tons of people today. We're gonna try to navigate to the left through all these crowds here. Okay. That's popular over there too. Try to get through there. There's cars coming on the main road too, so. There's a bus stop right there too, so. Umun. Very popular. Bus stop. Okay, we're gonna keep on navigating. There's a pharmacy. Bus stop. I'm just gonna go in here real quick. This little alley is going to Taipa village. So you can just kind of get an idea what's all going on in here. But it's a little labyrinth of stuff, kind of everywhere throughout. But I'm gonna stick to our main street since that's our focus today. Okay. So crowded today. Okay. Keep on walking down. The boutique hotel.
不是我想吃的，都是你们逼我吃的。你想看一下。
All right. Oh, let's just go right through here. This is a nice little place to film right in here. So I'm definitely gonna just a few minutes ago we were just in this alley right here. But actually this whole area goes into this type of village. So I'm just gonna briefly give you a little idea of what that looks like. They're filming a sign. I'll come back through there in a minute. I'll show you that. But yeah, once you get into Taipa village proper, you have a ton of cool stuff everywhere. Another Umun shop. I guess I'll go through here real quick too. All kinds of stuff everywhere throughout here. Including Macau and Nando's. So they're in the evening they'll have stuff here. Some nice music too. We're gonna navigate back into here. Go back to our main street there. But the main idea is that this type of village is kind of a cool little space. And I do film in here quite a bit, but this particular one is going to be our our target street. So let's go back to our target street here. But this type of village is very popular with tourists, and there's some good restaurants in here too. Like the one I'm walking by right now, Antonio, among many others. And they're capturing the sign type of village. There we go. Okay, so that's still our busy street that we walk down. Continue walking down this way. We're on Correia de Silva, which is that one right there. Correia de Silva, and then this one on the corner was Clérigos. But we're gonna keep on walking down. Moon. Taipa has a nice rooftop. I'm gonna go in here briefly, kind of show you what's in this space. Capture all of that. People just sit here in these spaces sometimes. Very photogenic. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. Some more photogenic areas over here too. This is a little Travessa de Santa Gertrudes. And that kind of goes back into this type of village area. Nice rooftop up there, like pastel blue green. Okay, kind of go over that space. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me see. I might want to get on the other side here. This would be the better angle of the view. We've done some more side streets and some more of these shops. So some nice windows here. I knew a guy that lived, I think he lived up there. Is he up there? Or did he live up there? Maybe he lived, somebody I knew lived had a nice rooftop. That one looks like there's a shop up there. Let me just go back a little bit. Yeah, it looks like there's something up on the screen up at that rooftop up there. It's nice. And then this one goes down into, just kind of go down briefly in here. A lot of people will capture these two Macau signs right here, this one and the other one right over there. So we're lining up for that one. And that goes right into Old Taipa Tavern down that way. More interesting stuff everywhere. So let's move back to our main street again. Correia de Silva. can go back. There we go. Another little institution right there, pork chop bun place, Pedro Cozinha Portuguese. And then we're gonna be walking by this nice, beautiful blue colonial building, as well as this one up there. This is a little fish restaurant. But yeah, very photogenic, as you can see. And I guess I'm gonna go back this way. I think I might even try to capture this little historical building. It's nice. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Now we're gonna enter into this little space. There's more Taipa village down that way. Like that. More of these little alleys that you can explore. Okay, we're gonna meander this way. We have pork chop buns in here too. Okay. Some beautiful banyan trees. This whole area has some nice banyan trees that go all the way down that street right there. So you can kind of see some of them already. That one, and also down that street too. It's a temple right there. This is our target street. Some beautiful murals. This is kind of a tourist thing right here too. It's Coca-Cola bottles. There's another one over there, a Fanta bottle. Let me just see. We have some beautiful artwork in here. I think these are relatively new. I don't recall seeing this artwork. This is really close to us right now. This is pretty close too. So these are all things of Taipa. And different stuff. Not all Taipa, but definitely in Macau. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. Then we're gonna open up into our, this is a different street right here called, no, what's the name of it? But this is also part of Taipa village as well. But as far as our street goes, we're gonna end it right here, I believe. So we're gonna come back here and then we're gonna end our video. So anyways, this was our street, de Silva. It's like Correia de Silva. So it is right there. So hopefully you kind of enjoyed that one. Correia de Silva. Slice of Taipa in Macau.